Hopefully lahat ng prints are successful. It's hard to say. And guess what? Na-print po natin sila lahat ng successful. Also ito ring one piece natin is successful. Guess what? It's a successful print, guys. What a nice batch of successful prints. Ayan, ganda. So 6 yung exposure. Ganda. Tingnan natin malapit sa ilaw. Yun